So I just want to start this video by saying I really like the OnePlus 8. It's a great phone. In fact, there's a couple of things like the way it feels in the hand, its size, and the smooth edges that I think are superior compared to the 8 Pro. It's just a much easier phone to type on. The only problem I have with this device is OnePlus's marketing. They're releasing this phone at $700, which is direct line of sight of the iPhone 11 and now the Galaxy S20. That's correct. In the US, you can buy the Galaxy S20 for $707 off of Amazon.com or $799 directly from Samsung US after a $200 promotional discount that requires nothing. When you're at that price point, you have to make sure you're offering the same amount of flagship features of your more expensive devices. The iPhone has water resistance. The iPhone has wireless charging. The iPhone has the exact same cameras, minus the telephoto lenses, of the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. The Galaxy S20 has the exact same cameras, minus the depth sensor, of the Galaxy S20 Plus. It also has the exact same QHD display with 120 Hz, whereas the OnePlus 8 sacrifices that for a Full HD display and 90 Hz. Now that's not that big of a deal, I'm nitpicking, but I'm trying to show you where I'm going with this. The OnePlus 8 also sacrifices the camera. The sensor inside of this is not as good as the one in the 8 Pro. It's a inferior Sony sensor. And you saw my review. You can tell the difference in certain situations where the OnePlus 8 just comes in last. It fails under low light compared to its bigger brethren. Now, I'm okay with OnePlus pricing a phone at $700, but if you're gonna do that, you have to be ready for the criticism, because a lot of people are gonna be looking at these other devices and asking themselves where the value is with the OnePlus 8. The Galaxy S20 also has a micro SD card for expansion, something you can't do with the iPhone or the OnePlus 8. If you're gonna be at this category, your device needs to maintain the majority features of the 8 Pro. This phone should have had wireless charging everywhere, not just on select carriers. It should have had water resistant. It should have had the exact same camera sensor. In fact, I personally feel the OnePlus 7 Pro offers better value in a lot of ways. It's too bad you can't buy it anymore because it has a better display. It has a more seamless design. The list goes on. The only thing you can do right now is buy the OnePlus 7T for $499, which I personally think is a better deal than the OnePlus 8. Look, I'm not trying to belittle OnePlus. I love them. They're a great company. I've watched them grow. You can call me Uncle OnePlus 8, okay? For all you want. I was there when they were in diapers. I'm proud of the 8 Pro. This is an amazing smartphone, but you can't sit here and price this device at $700 and remove a lot of the features. It needs to maintain those key characteristics to be a worthy $700 phone. I know some of you out there are gonna say, well, Matt, it has 5G. Well, so does the Galaxy S20. I hate that spiel about the 5G tax. Yes, the infrastructure is rolling out. Some countries do have it, but by God, it's still not worth it right now, and it won't be for another year. If you use 5G and you're standing there on the road and a sheep walks by you or a cotton ball, boom, your connection is gone. The S20 has it, and they're still able to price their phone at $700. The point I'm trying to make is that, yes, this is a fantastic phone, but the price is not good. I would hold out until either OnePlus drops the price of the phone, buy the OnePlus 8 Pro instead, or if that's over your budget, buy the OnePlus 7T, the iPhone 11, or the Galaxy S20. I think those offer much more value for their price points. Anyways, I thought I'd make this video to clear some things up for you. I hope this answered a lot of your questions and your concerns. If you have any more, please leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer it. Stay safe. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video.